everyone, welcome back. So, the Yellowstone universe is no stranger to behind the scenes drama, and now it looks like the upcoming spin off is dealing with its own shakeup before it even fully gets going. According to reports, Taylor Sheridan has fired the showrunner of the new spin off Dutton Ranch, and the reason isn't what you might expect. It wasn't about the story, it wasn't about the direction of the show, it came down to clashes with the cast. The showrunner Chad Feehan reportedly had conflicts with key actors, including Kelly Riley and Cole Hauser, the stars who played Beth Dutton and Rip Wheeler. And if you know anything about Yellowstone, you know these two characters are at the heart of the story. Beth and Rip aren't just fan favorites, they are the emotional core of the franchise. So when tensions build between the showrunner and the actors playing both those roles, that's not something the studio can ignore. Eventually, Sheridan, along with producer David Glasser, stepped in and made the call to remove Feehan from the project. What interesting is that this decision doesn't immediately impact the show itself. Feehan had already completed work on season 1, so the upcoming premiere set for May 15 should remain largely unchanged. But moving forward, he won't be involved, and that means the creative direction of future seasons could shift depending on who replaces him. Now, if this feels familiar, that's because it kind of is. The Yellowstone franchise has already gone through high profile behind the scenes conflict, most notably with Kevin Costner exiting the original series after a very public dispute. So, in a way, the situation fits a pattern, but there's one key difference. This time, the issue was handled early. Instead of letting tension build over multiple seasons, the studio stepped in before things could spiral out of control. And that might actually be a good sign for future of Dutton Ranch, because at its core the spin-off is all about Beth and Rip starting over. The story follows them as they move to South Texas trying to build a new life away from the chaos of the original ranch. But of course this is Yellowstone, so peace don't last long. They will be facing a powerful rival ranch, new threats and challenges of holding on to everything they have fought for. And with major names like Ed Harris and Annette Bening joining the cast, expectations are already high, which makes the behind the scenes stability even more important. Because when a show is built around strong personalities, both on screen and off, creative alignment matters. If the actors and showrunners aren't on the same page, it shows. So while firing a showrunner might sound like a red flag, in this case, it could actually be damage control, a way to protect the story and characters fans care about most. The real question now is what happens next, who steps in, and how much influence will they have over the future of the series? Because Dutton Ranch isn't just another spin-off; it's carrying forward one of the most important relationship in the entire Yellowstone universe. And after everything Beth and Rip have been through, fans are going to expect it has to be done right. Thank you for watching. Bye.